And in this video, we are going to trade Ethereum. Today is Sunday, November 30, 2025, Sunday. Yeah, 4:20 p.m. Singapore time. So basically, it's if it is if it's the forex market, then this is the time where the London opens. Okay, so I think although it is Sunday, there are a lot of people still trading the crypto market because the crypto market is 24/7. So there's no break for this market compared to forex. So yeah, I went long in this in Ethereum because I found out this very nice bullish engulf right here with a huge pin bar in this morning 11 a.m. And why? Because basically this the analysis of this candlestick formation right here is very psychological. You see the candle right here, it is very long tailed and it reached all of the stop losses that are positioned right here. Okay, so all the traders who went long right here, the logical position to put their stop losses would be right below this area here, right? So what basically happened is that the price just went down and reaches the stop losses of those people who traded here, who traded long. Okay, so all of their stop losses were taken out. Okay, so yeah, and also and that is why it's after this pin bar formed, it basically formed a huge bullish candle, very huge bullish candle because a lot of position has been closed. Okay, so my idea of trading is that I've waited for the price. It pulled back very deep. I waited for it to go below this support again, but it wasn't able to. Okay, so that is why I decided that I will trade if ever the price made a higher close above. Made a higher move compared to the price of this huge candle, bullish candle right here. So that is why I took an entry right here because that is where the price where the current market was. This huge candle was reached. It reached that point. So basically, if it will be by the logic there is if the price basically go back in that area, then it only means that it's gonna be bullish. Okay. Otherwise, if it continue to go down and hit this um, pin bar right here, then it's gonna be short. So, but since it reaches up to this price here, so we should go long, right? Right. So yeah, that is why I went long. And so, um, yeah, I went long, and this is how it looks like. My entry right here. Stop loss is just right here, not here because basically if the price go break this area here, then this will be also invalidated. Okay, so yeah, and then my profit target would be this very nice area here, these areas. Okay, and another one, this right here. And you know why here? Because that's the logical area of those people who traded short. Okay, so this happened Saturday. So basically those who shorted this the Ethereum would logically place their stop losses above these zones right here. Okay, so because they feel that this is the zones that are safe zones. But right now the market is already um, what you call this reversing. So where do you think it will go? Of course, it will go and hunt those stop losses that are positioned right here. So that is why uh, I put my profit target right here. So it's just 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And right now, as you can see, the price is already moving quite um, fast. Okay, so you see. Anyway, this is just 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So I'm just gonna post this video and I will update this video again, maybe when it hits the profit target. Okay, thank you. To this trade, so price is now moving up, almost hitting our profit target. So yeah, I'm just gonna, before it hits our profit target, I'm just gonna share something about the biggest lesson that I've learned trading here in the crypto market. And but yeah, also it also applies in other markets like forex and stocks. So what I've learned is that I don't need to trade until um, the liquidity uh, hunt happened in the market. Okay, so what I mean by that, the liquidity, is that, let me just show you in the chart. So I've talked about this candlestick formation right here. Okay, why is it significant? Why did I only trade after seeing this candlestick formation? Okay, so we are here in the 15-minute time frame. So I only traded when I saw this two candlestick formation, because this is the liquidity that I have been talking about. So this pin bar right here is very obvious, right? So what happened there is that it went down very deep, hitting all the stop losses of the people who went long right here. Okay, so because basically what happened is that people went long in the market, and for example they went long right here, anywhere here, and of course where would be the logical area they would put their stop loss? They would put their stop loss in a safe area, right? So under candles. So so here, should be here, right? So what happened here is that this price just moved down just to reach all the stop losses here. Okay, so what happened after that? Then this huge candle happened because of all the liquidity that happened here. Okay, so that is why this huge candle, bullish candle, happened, because of this liquidity that the position of a lot of traders have been closed. Okay, so right after this thing happened, then that is our go signal that we can now trade. Okay, I mean we can now look for a good setup to for an entry. So s- so we will go long now, because there's no more stop hit to be targeted here. Most of the stop hit are already around in this area now. Okay, the ones who shorted this, for the long ones, it's already liquidated, so there's no more reason for the market to go down. Okay, so that is why we are only going to go long. So what happened next is that the price went made a huge pullback, and that is very good, because if this market here uh, will if the price will make another movement above above this candle here, that only means that the price will now go up and not go down, because it already made a very deep pullback, and it wasn't able to go below this zone right here, this pin bar right here. It was not able to reach the end of this pin bar. So, and it made a comeback above this area, so that is why I entered there, because for sure there's a big chance that the price will now go up. By the way, our profit target is already hit right there, just a little bit. uh, uh, Let me check my phone. Yeah, our profit target is already hit. So what I'm talking about, so yeah, so I made sure that I only entered the trade when the price is already above this candle, this huge candle, because that, to me, that indicates that the price is really going to go up. Okay, so yeah, that's just what happened. Okay, so we entered the trade around London Open, although it is Sunday, but London opening time session. So but this huge move happened during the US session. So yeah, that's one factor also to 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 keep in mind that huge movement of the price usually happens during the US session. So it's better not to trade in the Asian session, but uh yeah, you can trade in the London session, but it's really much better if we trade during the crossover the overlapping of the London session and the US session. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you learned something from this video, then yeah, maybe you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and uh I will post more videos like this about trading the crypto forex market and forex market. Bye.